Hello and welcome to the Brockman Bindery here in Oxfordshire. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vellum over boards binding and a limp vellum binding. So we have two different types. We have goat skin and calf skin. There is sheepskin as well, but I tend to prefer to use these. The thing to remember is that it's very much affected by humidity and you need a good, strong, stable board. Just pushing in hard with your thumb. I know some people prefer to put the spine down the spine of the book, but for vellum this would be a bad idea. So you can see now that's a nice stable piece of vellum. It's also a good trick to just put a little bit on the spine, just to help it slide around a bit. Making sure that's located in there nicely. If you were to mitre the corners now, you'll get a gap by the time it's dried out. Just pulling out now the piece of vellum underneath. As you can see, the book opens very nicely too. So now we've finished the vellum over boards binding, we can move on to the limp vellum style. We now have nice extra long dongs here ready to be laced on. So there's our holes. So there we have it, the vellum over boards binding and the limp vellum binding. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's inspired you to have a go yourself. Thanks very much for watching.